Hi, my viewers. Today, I think to share because the summer is around the corner, so I have to share this really quick, easy pedicure video you can do at home. All the stuff I'm using in this one is from the Dollarama, like the bucket. I just add a few drops of shampoo, and sometimes I did put a few drops of hand soap, and I'm using this sugar scrub. This is a lavender and coconut. Smells really good. It's from I think Bath and Body Works, and because my feet are usually very dry, I think it's our weather. So I'm not changing the nail polish color because this is the quickest and easiest one. I just finished this one under 15 minutes. So the soak is the essential part. I'm all the things I'm using this for: nail polish, this pumic stone, then this everything from Dollarama. So I really did a good scrub, and the main thing, the more you soak, the more feet, softer feet you have. So after this, I will soak my feet again for 10 minutes, and then they will wait, and then I will scrub a little bit more, so like this, and then pad dry with towel, so not like tough rub. And then I refinish my nail polish, so I'm using the same color. I'm just refinishing it and giving a fresh look because it's summer. These color looks awesome. So far, if you like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel, hit the like button. And this is the most easiest. I do it more often. I hope you like this video. I will see you in my next one.